Wave is here and welcome to the part 2 of the Crazy Bird. So before we start the review, I want to show you what the card all is about. So I don't understand at the first, but after I read it, I think I kinda understand. But come here. So it's written out here 4 cara mendapatkan Crazy Bird Special Edition. So it means how to get Crazy Bird Special Edition. So first you can buy one box Crazy Bird. Second you can put a 40 stamp. Where's the fucking stamp? Yes. Here's the stamp. You must cut it and paste it all right here.
And send it.
Yeah, and send it to PO Box 1140 GKB 11011, and then collect all the Z point and make sure you follow the auction at the www.dearfriends.com.
This is the
so
Z
here's
point.
the code. So if you want it, just take it. We don't want to use it.
It's just useless.
And finally, ikuti turnamen. Compete all the tournament gladiator. Oh, crazy!
Wow,
bird,
pretty
Rainbow
cool.
City. So,
I think know how to play this crazy bird thing. You just do this.
Just snap out of it.
yeah, and if one of the birds fell off from the table or floor or from the ocean, it's
Loose.
It's loose. So yeah, that's like that. Simple. And so here's how it starts. It's kind of 3D.
Yeah, 3D.
Yeah, it's kind of unique.
This is
No, I think it's so stupid.
Salon Boy. So yeah, it's Salon Boy. Then what is it?
Here's Choo-Choo, the
Ooh.
mutated bird. The mutated Pikachu. It's kind of weird.
Jeff Junior. It's weird.
Chef Junior.
Yeah.
Can it cook for me?
Next, it's Peanut. I have no fucking idea what it says.
It's Spencer.
Yeah.
Spencer. I don't know. Don't care.
Some clown right here named Mac. Magma. Where's Magma?
Yeah.
Where's Magma?
Wait a minute. I know this bird name. I think his name is Big Boss.
Oh yeah.
Oh, here's Magma.
Magma. And this is Big Boss. Yeah. Big stupid boss.
It's Stickman. Yeah. It's Stickman.
Yeah.
Yeah, see.
Big man.
And this watermelon guy, what is his name again?
Patriot, I think.
Patriot.
Yeah,
Okay.
Patriot.
Okay, I think that's all. Let's open the
next.
other 15 packs. Oh, yeah.
fuck.
Before we start opening it, I forgot to show you the pack. So you can see a lot of variation. Doraemon, Gertie, Ryu, I think from the Street Fighter, Flintstone. What is it? Senseiya?
I don't know.
Digimon?
Where is it? Yeah, I think this is Sensei.
I have no idea. Okay, it's the pack.
Can we open
Judo Robin, Naughty, Chiki, I don't know what his name, Naughty.
Oh, and this is the stadium, I think.
Yeah, it's Stadium.
Weird.
It said arena bermain Crazy Bird dapat dibeli di toko terdekat. It mean you can buy it at your
near
local
shop.
store. Yeah.
Near shop.
But it's only on Indonesia. So next, there's some rarity pack. So, wow, this is kind of weird. Bumblebee, Spider-Man. What is it?
Optimus Prime, I think. And this is, I think, Kuga.
Kuga.
This is
Oh,
Michael Jackson.
I think Camera Agito. Oh,
I think
wait,
Michael
it's
Jackson.
kind of weird. Kuga, Spider-Man, Megatron, Shining Gundam. What the fuck?
Oh my.
Michael Jackson.
Oh,
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo.
Uh,
Power Ranger, Lal Mega Man, Ultraman.
Ultraman Taro
And Teletubbies.
Tubi, what the fuck is that? So anyway, forget that shit and let's open this baby up, shall we? Okay, another stupid pirate.
Let's see. Next. What the fuck? Nebula. It's like a Captain American.
Yeah,
but it's named Nebula.
Nebula.
What the
Yakuza.
Ooh. I don't think this is like a Yakuza. Yakuza supposed to be cool,
Oh, look.
scary.
Minky?
Minky.
It's from the Bible character that mutated into bird Goliath. It's kind of
What?
weird.
What is this?
Goliath is the Bible character.
It's like a
Fuck.
Boo Boo from the character of
I have no idea. Next match.
Strange. It's ice is.
Whoa.
Ray.
Super Saiyan Goku or Sensei? What the fuck? Frozen bird.
Super Saiyan. No.
I think it's Sensei.
Yeah, I don't know.
Super Saiyan form.
So this thing was so weird, so stupid.
Unique. It's
What the fuck is that?
Another Yakuza that sucks.
Yakuza
I don't
again.
know, but it smells like slippers.
Yeah.
Smells disgusting.
It's Elena.
Elena?
Oh,
Okay,
my
we
gosh.
got some, I don't know, it's
So weird.
It's like some sort of Shogokin. Shogokin is that some old 80s robot. Cool, that's kind of cool.
This name is
Oh,
Nimbus.
2B.
The rare one.
Wow, the rare one. I think it's nice. I think
Next we got Dodie. It's kind of weird.
he have a scary smile on his face. Smile.
The last pack I already opened. It's in the Tori.
It looks like a ninja.
Yeah, I think it's kind of fun. Oh yeah, and we want to show you how to build it.
Is that all the pack?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, good. So we're gonna show you how to make one of the crazy birds. We're gonna show you how maniac is.
Yeah, we will use Doobie.
Chili.
It's kind of Angry Bird, but it's custom too.
No. So first you must peel off.
No. You should. You just do this. Oh, it's
You must stir off. Okay.
Wait it.
Really hard, eh?
Yes,
It's kind of hard.
hard, and I don't want to.
Hey, let me do it. Let me do it.
Yeah, I got it. Ah, shit. Oh, fuck.
Oh my.
See?
So that's the first thing you need to do. Peel off one of the parts.
It's kind of sticky.
Yeah. Next you must stack it. So it's gonna make some of 3D animation effects.
Animation, lol.
No, it's effect. Okay.
Will you?
I'm sorry if my English is bad.
I'm Indonesian.
We are Indonesian.
Lol.
When you say
Peel it.
lol, it look like you imitating the bird.
Yeah, thank you.
Lol.
Lol.
And done.
Wow.
Cherry.
Pretty cool, eh?
Pretty good. Yes.
Oh.
I have no fucking idea.
It's
Okay, so
it's
you guys.
pretty.
Yeah, so you guys must decide it. Is it a win toy or fail toy? I have no idea of it.
If you want to see it, subscribe us.
Thank you for watching and see ya.